You guys, it's a countdown. They have like just a few seconds left until they can start talking again. So I'm supposed to record this. They're very excited. So I'm making a video. It's like they're doing a potty dance, but it's the talking dance. Are we there yet? Oh my god, are you scared? I'm scared. Do you realize they're not going to shut up once they can start talking again? Because it's been 8 hours since either of them said a word. Okay. This is a really long video. We're at like 42 seconds now, but that's okay. You can like edit it. Oh my god.
Elbow.
Oh my god. Good job, girls. Way to make it till 9 o'clock.